Well, I have to see what my sister gave you, so you have to open it.
Jonas, let's open the one from Great Aunt Christina.
Grant. Is she Great? Grant. I'm
Jonas.
Great.
Jonas,
Just call her Grant.
you want to open this? I know those coasters are a lot of fun.
See?
No, you don't eat off of coasters. I know they look like little miniature Jonas.
Yeah.
Here, I'll open it for you, Joey.
Mommy's open it.
Oh, there's a present, Jonas. Look what Mommy's got.
It was soft, so I don't know.
More, child.
The toughest thing to do is hold it steady.
Oh, it's an outfit. Oh, how cute is that? Jonas, look at that.
Oh, look at you, the well-dressed child.
Jonas.
Oh, wow.
Jonas.
Baba.
Jonas. Jonas. Jonas.
Oh, I love
Oh my God.
Baba.
Very handsome.
She asked me.
Oh,
yes. I said,
Yes,
I
yes.
think he could grow into it because
Well, he's getting too small for
I
everything.
thought he might already be in 24 months, so I didn't know if he was tall enough
He
for
is
2
currently transitioning.
Merry Christmas.
And I figured that was
Merry
about
Christmas.
fun
Yes.
stuff.
A baby.
Jonas, say Merry Christmas.
Is that, no, it's all covered still.
But I didn't think if they opened it up, they would want to take it home open. Because it would all But that's okay.
Ha.
What's that?
A biba.
Right, what's that?
Ha.
Right, what's that?
Ha.
A tiger, very good. What's that?
Ooh.
How about this one?
Uh-uh.
Yeah, you didn't even want the ones you got.
Yeah, that's Scott's. That's Scott's present.
Jonas, don't start dismantling people's presents.
Here, Jonas.
It's the same thing your parents
Jonas,
got.
look, Jonas. Now you can. Now we can play with this. That's right. You can put that.